tell me what can I do now? Ain't it always funny how?
Oh hey, you guys just caught me having a good hair day. Welcome, my name is Kaviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Take a look at this hair. Like, you guys can't even see it all. It's amazing. It's probably the best wig I've received in such a long time. With that being said, let's find out where this hair is from. Stick around for all the details about today's wig and install.
Soon as I let my guard down, here comes that.
Let's give a warm welcome to today's sponsor, Amanda Hair. You guys know that I love Amanda Hair because every single wig that I've received from them has always been absolutely gorgeous. What I have installed today is a 30-inch 13x4 HD transparent lace front wig. This is in the loose deep texture curtain bang wig. This is the standard density. Sometimes you see wigs and this, like, you can choose the density. This is the density that it comes with. It comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, ready to wear 100%.
Thought that I'd be healing now. I didn't think I'd have to feel this now. I thought I would've moved on, but somehow the feeling's still strong. Like I'll be on my way out, thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind, thinking I was done now. But my mind thinking I was done.
The wig looks good, but I think I want to tint the lace. Much better. I'm gonna go in with my sticky little secret skin protect as well. So what I like to do is take a rag that I designate for this, spray this lace protect on it, and then make sure that the hairline is clean. When I carve this out, it's almost going to make like a line for the lace, so I'll know like where to put the glue. I'm gonna do it in sections.
All night. Know that I'ma decline your calls, right? But I know that when I get home, I'll check in my phone to see what you want, see what you wrote, cause I wanna know. Yeah, I'll be on my way out, thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind, thinking I was done now. But I guess I'll never be tired of you. So tell me why I get this feeling now, or tell me why I get this feeling now. Been a couple years.
All right, I think it's gonna be easier for me to cut the lace off.
It's been a couple years, thought that I'll be healing now. I really didn't think I'd have to feel this now. Oh, like I'll be on my way out.
I'm tempted to see what the glue dries like if I don't let it dry, like what it looks like afterwards. I honestly think that it'll be okay. Am I crazy for thinking that?
Thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck.
I'm just pressing it in. I'm going to do this side and then I'm gonna come back once the side is done. Okay, so we're gonna go in with this Ebon spray and I'm gonna spray it along the hairline and melt her some more.
Thinking I was done now, but I guess I'll never be tired of you. so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I.
Oh yeah, this is looking so good. The wig is absolutely gorgeous.
It's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on the
beautiful hairline on this wig. As you can see, it comes pre-cut already in the curl style. So all we have to do is recurl her, because I know that these curls are cute, but I know once I do my curls, it's gonna be even better.
We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail.
I'm going to get back to this. I'm gonna come back when I have it curled some more.
Ways ain't gon' end well.
Still have quite a bit to curl. This hair is so full and there's so much of it.
Give me a moment to be sincere. Feeling this way since top of the year. Lately we've been real unsure and clear. Is it just me? Where do you go when you disappear? Tell me your secrets, you got my ear. Room to assume it's feeding my fears. Don't wanna leave, pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you. No matter what we go through, keeping it between us two, me and you. Can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing.
We're gonna try it this way first and see.
Between us, I know healing ain't instant, but can we survive the distance? Lifetimes are going like years away. More it will grow, the more we delay. I'm just hoping it isn't too late. What can I do? Sorry if it's a little cliche. I know we're supposed to live in the gray. Leave it to chance or leave it to fate, but I'm missing you. Pull me in closer. Can we start over?
It comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, ready to wear 100%. I didn't have to recurl this wig. The curls were beautiful, but I wanted more long, luscious curls, more of like a wave. So that's why I decided to recurl this wig, but it comes ready to go. Look at this. It's chef's kiss. We didn't have to do anything to the hairline except put some powder there. It is beautiful. It's a beautiful fit, you guys. The wig is just flawless. Look at the body. Look at how much hair is on this wig, y'all. It's just so long. It's so beautiful. I love the curtain bangs. It's perfectly layered. It's just perfect. I don't know how else to say it. Like, what's another word for perfect? Because that's what this is. I'm actually gonna give this a 26 out of 10 because it's that good, okay? If you guys wanna check this wig out, which I highly, highly recommend, because Amanda Hair has beautiful hair. I don't know who Amanda is, but we need to give her a shout out. So shout out to you, Amanda, because girl, you know what you're doing over there. I love this wig. So soft, so full. There's no thin section. This just looks like dream hair. This is definitely what all of my good dreams are made of when it comes to hair. I love it so much. I highly recommend. This wig is most definitely caviarkezzy approved. If you guys want to pick this up for yourself, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you. Use the discount code so you can save some coins, because baby, you're gonna be so happy with this unit, and it's on sale right now. Don't miss out on that. I gotta go. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Bye.